Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you guys something very important that not a lot of people know about some YouTubers, but most companies. Basically, most people in the UK, at least, they use Companies House, which is Fund Update Company Information Service.gov, to look up things for a business. But what they don't realise is that if you use companycheck.co.uk, you can actually find more information on a business than you can if you go to Companies House, which is where the government says that you should find your information on. So one person that we all know is PewDiePie, and if you search PD, which is PewDiePie's company, if you guys don't know, you can see here, we can see the cash, the net worth, the assets and the liabilities of that company, plus where that company is registered. And again, we can see things like who is in charge of the business, for example, and where their business address is. Again, don't use this information to dox these people, it's just publicly available records. But again, we can look up information on a company. For instance, we can look up their key financials. We can see how much cash has gone through the business, the net worth of the business, the assets and liabilities. But if we do the same thing on Companies House, search for that, then we can see some things. So let's open this up, but it won't give us information that we might need. So it might give us information on documents about that business, it might give us documents about the people in that business, but financial information won't be held on this website. So in order to actually find the financials of a business, you want to go to Company Check, because that's where you'll find the financial accounts of that business, and it will show you exactly what that is. Again, this is a very interesting, a very useful website to use, because you won't find information that you find on Companies House. Anyway, you can use any company at all, any company that you want. We can even check Google, for instance, but it's not the real Google. It's just another version. But you can pretty much search for any business that you want to, local or within the UK, and find financials on here. But Companies House will not show you the financial information of the business. You'll find lots of other registered information on that business, but you won't find information about the actual business itself. As far as financials go, we can put in capital accounts, and they will release filings like this, but I think it's a lot easier actually, because again, I'm not saying that you need to be an accountant to read these documents, but it's a lot easier to just go to Company Check instead of going through all these PDFs. And maybe you can find the financial information if you really dig through all these PDFs. But if you go to Company Check, you can find it. You search, and the liabilities are listed right here. Anyway, that's it for today. Sorry, it was a short one, but that's how to look up company information online in the UK. Thank you guys for watching, and again, don't use the information in this video for any malicious purpose. I'm just showing everyone how to use publicly available websites, and that's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.